When we wake up, we stay up. Got no time to waste. On the ground, we stay up. Can't let nobody face us. We on the way to lead out. They coming for us. Which street stop to us? Nothing's impossible. That's why they call us dreamers. That's why they call us dreamers. So in this one, I'm showing you vegan pancakes, eggless pancakes. So it's just flour, 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then you have a cup of almond milk or milk, but if it's vegan, like we use almond milk or oat milk or some other milk. And olive oil, but I don't have olive oil, so we'll use some vegetable oil. Same thing, it tastes just as good. So what you would do is put all your dry ingredients in a bowl. So that's the cup of flour, your baking powder, and your sugar. And then your 2 tablespoons of oil. And then your cup of milk, and you just add it and mix it in kind of gradually, so you know, like, you don't have too much milk, it's not too watery or whatever. And I'm just gonna add a little bit and mix it. Sometimes you might have to add a little more milk if it's not runny enough for you. And sometimes I like to add a bit of cinnamon. You can if you want. If you don't like cinnamon, then don't put no cinnamon, but cinnamon. So more butter for the rest of pancakes. So this will be the second batch. So the 1 cup of flour gives you 4 pancakes. Let me just go like this, and we drop our mix like that. We just wait for the bubbles. It tastes really good. And you can top it with fruits like strawberries, blueberries. Here's some one that I made. I'll show you pictures. Put the pictures here. Okay, so I'll check this one out. Oh, this one's very crumbly. Pancakes to wrap, thick and rich, like me, except the rich part. We're working on the rich part. Pancakes. So we're going to add these 2 and then eat our pancakes! Got no time to waste. On the ground we stay. I think it's ready now. Yeah, I'll consider that as ready. griddle off. Place our hot pancake. So here we are, pancakes. Okay, so now we have that's it. Beautiful, fluffy, vegan cinnamon pancakes. Okay, so the best part is just like drizzling all our maple syrup. How beautiful! Ah! I don't want them to fall out. But this is my pancakes.